November 16th, 2020, on your own. At Milkovich Middle School, the ratio of total number of students to the number of students with pets is 2 to 1. Using this information, complete the table. All right, so we know that the total number of students to the number of students with pets is 2 to 1. So total number of students, I'm going to put a 2 here, to 1. So total number of students to the students with the number of students with pets, so 2 to 1. So in this case, it's going to be backwards here. Now, can I get from 1 to 2? Sure. How do I get from 1 to 2? If I look over here, how do I get from 1 to 2? Well, I multiply by 2. So now the opposite, or the inverse of multiplying by 2, is dividing by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. All right, let's use our arrows here. 3 times 2 is 6. Same thing this one. Whoop, if I can drag it. 9 times 2, 18. Now this one is going this way. So 81 divided by 2. So I know that, 81 divided by 2. What times 2 is going to be 81? So if I do 81 divided by 2, we can't really do 81 divided by 2, can we? No. So what we're going to have to do is, well, actually, this should be an 80, so I apologize. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's take a look over here. A wildlife coordinator maintains a ratio of 2 squirrels for every 8 birds. So 2 squirrels for 8 birds. How many birds would there be if there were 15 squirrels? So there's our question. How many birds will there be if there were 15 squirrels? So our squirrels here, we have squirrels. How do I get from 2 to 8? Oh, yeah, we could do that. 2 times what is 8? I know 2 times 4 is 8. So then what's the opposite of multiplying by 4? Dividing by 4. All right, so this one we're going to point to our empty box. 4 times 4, 16. Is 5 times 4 20? Yes, it is. This one has an empty box of the squirrels. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. And then the last one, 15 times 4 is going to be 60. So now we need to answer the question though. It says, how many birds will there be if there were 15 squirrels? So here's the squirrels, 15. So we're going to look at that last box. So if there's 15 squirrels, then how many birds would there be? There would be 60 birds. So I'm going to put 60 birds. And that is it for the On Your Own. Great job.